If you're looking for a way to streamline proposal creation for your busy team, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to make your proposal creation process faster and more efficient, so you can focus on what really matters: closing deals. First, let's talk about why proposal creation can be such a bottleneck. Often, it's the back and forth between team members, the constant revisions, and the sheer time it takes to get everything right. This can easily slow down your process, wasting precious time and energy. The key to streamlining your proposal creation is adopting a solution that automates repetitive tasks, offers templates, and keeps everything organized in one place. That's where the software we'll be using today comes into play. Now, the first thing you want to do is utilize templates. This is a game changer. Instead of starting each proposal from scratch, you can use pre-designed templates. These templates can be customized with your branding and content, saving you a ton of time and effort. Plus, they ensure consistency across all proposals, which is key for presenting a professional image. Next, centralize everything. By using a software that integrates with your existing tools, like CRM systems or document management platforms, you'll be able to pull in customer data directly into your proposal. This eliminates manual data entry and reduces the chance of errors. This also speeds up the process because everything is stored in one centralized location. Collaboration is another area where teams lose time. Instead of sending proposals back and forth over email, use software that allows multiple team members to work on the proposal in real time. This feature streamlines communication, cuts down on the time spent waiting for feedback, and ensures everyone is on the same page. You can also set up automated notifications to keep everyone updated on progress. The next step is automating approvals. With proposal software, you can set up approval workflows that automatically notify the right person when it's time for them to review or approve the proposal. This eliminates the need for constant reminders and follows up, making your process much smoother. When you add e-signatures into the mix, you're practically done. No more printing, signing, and scanning. Everything can be done digitally from anywhere at any time. This significantly cuts down on the time it takes to finalize proposals, which is crucial for busy teams. But here's the best part. I've tried all the most popular proposal software out there, and I've found the one that works best for streamlining proposal creation for busy teams. And because you're watching this video, you can get an exclusive free trial of this software. It's in the description below, so be sure to grab it if you want to follow along. To summarize, the key to streamlining proposal creation for busy teams is using a software that automates repetitive tasks, offers easy templates, enables real-time collaboration, automates approvals, and integrates with your other tools. This will save your team valuable time and ensure that proposals are completed quickly and accurately. Before I wrap up, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. Trust me, it'll make a huge difference in how you create proposals. The key takeaway here is that by using the right software, you can drastically reduce the time it takes to create proposals, making your team more efficient and your business more effective.